Hello everyone. This present video lecture is on chapter 2 of class 7's English main course book Buzzword, and the chapter's name is Pushkar. The chapter is written by Hugh Ganger and Colin Ganger. Both of them were famous travelers. They traveled all over the world and written their experiences in the form of book or travelogue. This present story is also one of the travelogues written by them. Pushkar is a famous place located in Rajasthan. It is popularly known for the world famous and biggest animal fair. Yes, in Pushkar, every year in the season of autumn, the animal fair is held and it is going on from the centuries. सालों से चलता हुआ आ रहा है a tradition, the tradition of animal fair. Different animals like camel, horses, sheep, and other cattle are brought and sold. And not only the animals are there in the fair, obviously it is also like the other fair, different type of food stalls are there, different type of shops of clothes, bangles or other ornaments, and many other games are there in the fair. All the things are observed by this traveler or the narrators, and they had narrated in detail about all those things in this text. So, when you will read the text, you will enjoy it, the every description by the narrator. They had enjoyed the frying pakoras, the crispy, sizzling, hot, juicy jalebis. Being the foreigner, they had enjoyed this Indian food in a desert area. Yes, you know that Rajasthan is famous for its desert. So all the traditions of desert people are shown by the narrators that they have observed when they visited this Pushkar fair. Different types like Raikars, Gujjars, Lohars and Bhils of Rajasthan. These are the name of tribal people of Rajasthan. When the fair started, these people started to come forward towards the fair ground of Pushkar from a long distance. They dressed in their traditional colorful dresses and the turbans. And the whole fair ground is also decorated with colorful curtains and all those things. Everything is colorful over there. The narrators had also enjoyed the turpentine competition, camel race, and the tension at the well of death, which is known as Maut Ki Kuan. They had also observed people very minutely. They had observed the women buying bangles and their companions being irritated while waiting for a long time. They had observed the children who were shouting, who were enjoying. They felt that this fair is not only for the selling or buying of animals. This also give opportunity to the desert people for gathering once in a year to meet their relatives or friends or family members, those who are separated with the long stretches of desert. So this is a scope for them to just gather all together and enjoy it. They enjoyed eating and shopping in the fair. The narrators, they had observed and enjoyed the fair for the whole day. At the end of the day, they got great hospitality, or they were welcomed by the desert people with their food. The desert people were very hospitable. They offered their food to the narrators. The narrators told that or described that they sat being cross legged around the fire and they had special desert food, some roti, buttermilk, and crisp vegetables with some curry. And they were sitting on the sheepskin racks, the racks which is made of the skin of sheep. So this was the first day. After that, they had also observed one of the important aspect of Pushkar fair, the people worshipping the Jayastha Pushkar lake. It is one of the biggest lake which is worshipped by the people, and it is believed that its water never dry. Though this is Rajasthan is a desert area, the water of Pushkar lake never dried up. So people worship the lake. When the sun does not come out or before the sunrise, the people got ready. The men came with bare chest and the women dressed with colorful dresses. Holding the thali and all the flowers and all the incense, they just got ready for worshipping the lake as soon as the sunrise starts. So with the sunrise, they just started to walk towards the ghat of Pushkar lake, and as the sunrise they plunged into the water. They worshipped the lake, they offered flower and thanks the lake. Again at the night they worship the lake, but in a different way. That time they light lamp and afloat it on the water of lake. These two things, the morning prayer or morning worshipping and the evening worshipping, both are showing their devotion or their thankfulness for the past year or which has been passed, and for hoping goodness in the upcoming year. And in this way the story ends. The narrator has described this view of worshipping of Pushkar Lake as a panoramic view because it was totally different for them. Their devotion, their tradition, culture, all are minutely observed by the narrators, and those things are highlighted throughout the text. So after reading this story, you will get to know about different tribes of Rajasthan, about the Pushkar fair, or you will get much detail on the Pushkar fair and its tradition. Thank you.